Alright, this is how much I paid for electricity and for the water in the apartment for 1 month. So $1.16 was the water, and yes, I do shower sometimes, and $50.14 for the electricity. Now, I also have a proof here. So just give me a second. I'm gonna show you. This is, oops, just give me a second. It's very difficult to also hold this mic and try to show you what I want to show you. So, you can see here with pink the date when I moved in this apartment, 17th October 2024. Hope you can see it. And then we have how much I paid for rent, 7,000 baht, which is about $195 more or less. And at the very beginning I paid $500 for the key as well. So you can see here. And I cut this part off is because I have my personal information there, and I just cut that one off. But this, you can see, is the invoice. And so 17th of October, and then here we have 17th of November. And you can see the first two. First is water, and the second one is electric. You can see here it's also the rate. I hope you can see it, and you can see it well. Yeah. And then first one is water, second one is electric, third one is rent for a few days, less than a month. Okay, so first one 40 baht, and the second one 1,700 and something. That's electric. 40 baht is the water. So yeah, electric I paid $1.16, and for the water was $1.16, and for the water I paid $50.14. Okay, and let me see, because I also have some other things. I think I wrote something else on this notebook. Yeah, that's all. So this was for a month from October to November, specifically 17th of October till 17th of November, so 1 full month. I did have this one for from November to December as well, but for some reason, even though I don't have much stuff with me, I couldn't find it. Most probably I threw it away. But yeah, the electricity and the water is the only extra thing I pay in this apartment besides the rent itself. So that came out to be to a little over $50 for a month. Okay, and I'm using the AC always when I'm in the apartment. It's turned off now just because I didn't want the sound of it to be heard in the video, and to distract from what I'm saying. I don't know if it can be heard anyways, but yeah, it's turned off now, but usually it's on pretty much all day and all night as well, because I have it on during the night as well. And yeah, the fridge is working. I had it turned off for maybe a week because I didn't have anything in it, but now I do. Obviously, I do not have a kitchen, or not obviously, maybe most probably you don't know that I don't have a kitchen, so yeah, I don't have gas to pay, or even if I would have an electric stove, right, that would add up to the cost, but I don't have that. And yeah, water, $1.16. Never thought it could be that affordable, and yeah, it's amazing. And yeah, I do shower. I do shower, guys. I know it's surprising. It's surprising. I do shower. I do use the water, and still $1.16. Amazing. So a little over $50 for 1 month, right? That's what I pay extra besides the rent, which is, I think it's amazing. So this just goes on to show you guys once again, as I was many times saying in the videos, in the other videos as well, that you can actually save money while you travel. You can save money while you travel. And many people, when they think about traveling, they think that they have to either spend a lot of money or at least spend some money, and they don't think about the fact that they can actually save money at all. Now, if you're from US, from UK, Canada, Australia, Germany, basically any of these richer countries, and you have an online business, or you're a freelancer, or you have a skill that you can monetize, a skill that you can sell to a business or businesses, then honestly you can actually save money while you travel. And that's what I do. I'm able to save a little bit of money as well, while traveling. And if I were to be living home, even though I'm from Eastern Europe, I wouldn't be able to save as much as I do now. And it's not like, oh, okay, I'm making $10,000 and I'm able to save a lot of money. No, I don't make $10,000, but I do make enough to have a decent living, at least decent to my own standards, and at the same time be able to save money with the purpose of investing and creating passive income. So that's it. This is just, I'm just showing you guys what is possible, and the fact that you can actually save money while you travel. A little over $50 for electricity and water in a month. That's what I paid, for this apartment. And again, I'm conscious about, saving, but it's not like I make sacrifices. Obviously, I'm not gonna leave the lights on and just, go out of the apartment, or leave the aircon on and go out of the apartment. Even though it did happen a few times that I forgot the aircon on and I left the apartment. When I came back, I realized I had it on all this time. But, I try to be cautious and not do that. But I'm not making huge sacrifices. I'm not making sacrifices at all, in fact, So I hope this video inspires you, and, it's just one more video where I'm telling you and I'm showing you proof, just as I did with how much I paid. Yeah, I'm showing you proof that you can actually save money while you travel. See you in the next video.